Alright guys, so today I have for you a Mondo Kit from Guggen Squad and Catch Co. And I'm just going to go through what's in it and what I think of it, and you know, what I think of the colors of the baits, because when I bought this, or I asked for this as a Christmas present, because somebody was wondering what I would want, and I was like, well, you know, usually with baits you kind of have to like tell them exactly what you want, or you won't get what you want, and you won't even be able to use it because they'll pick something that, if they don't know fishing, they're not going to pick something you can use. So I suggested this because there's stuff in it that it's going to be random colors. Obviously you know what you're going to get. You know the baits that you're going to get, but you don't know what color, so it's kind of a fun surprise, and it's not me picking exactly what I want. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. Boom. It comes in a box that's a lot like the Mystery Tackle Box. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. And so here's what we got in it. First thing is this card, which tells you everything that's in it. Like I said, the flat banger, zinger, juicy jig, neck thing, and crack and crawl. We have a sticker, Guggen Squad. That's pretty cool. I'll probably put that somewhere. This is a neck thing. We'll come back to that. I'll show you all the different ways you can wear it. But here we go. So first off, we have the jig, which looks pretty good. It's a green and blue. Which color is it? It's a 1/2 ounce, and it's Okeechobee crawl. It looks really nice. I'm definitely going to be able to use it. It's pretty big, but last year I caught my biggest bass on a jig, so looking forward to using that. Next we have the flat banger, and it is in a white and silver color, which is really good looking. As you can see, it's reflecting off of that, and yeah, I've used these before. I made a video about it, and it looks really good, and it will definitely catch some fish. Next we have the spinnerbait, and that is in the bluegill color. It looks exactly like a bluegill, and it has those nice blades at the top to mimic bait fish. And everything, even the eyes, the blades, have the Guggen Squad logo on it. But pretty cool. On to the next bait. Final thing is the crack and crawls, and they are in the blue baby color. I have not used this color yet, and but I look forward to using it. They are like a green and blue color, which looks pretty good. And now I will demonstrate for you guys the neck thing that you get with it.